Hello folks, my name is Brent Jeffries. I'm with Bierer Meters. I'm Vice President, Field Operations and Safety Trainer with Bierer Meters. And we're presenting to you today, this is going to be Bierer Meters tool training, meter probe accessories. Real small clip, but an important information that you must know when you're using the Bierer Meters products. All of our voltage indicators and phasing tools, they'll come in a kit, such as the VD1000P. So what you'll do is when you receive the kit, you'll notice as you open the box, you'll see your tool that you ordered, whether it's a corded device or whether it's a wireless device. And you'll notice the tool will be in there, your operating instructions manual, and then you'll have the meter probe accessories that come with the kit. So the straight probe comes with the kit, and your hook probe all come with the kit automatically. They're just included in your kits. You're going to see also in the kit your hot stick adapter, and this here will go onto the back of your meter onto the quick change. This is also where you're going to change out your battery as well for your tool. Now the meter probe accessories, the reason why these are very important, you always want to keep these in use when you're using your tool. And our devices, you want to make sure you use Bierer Meters meter probe accessories only. Do not interchange them with other manufacturers' meter probe accessories. Always use Bierer Meter products. The reason why you want to use these on your meter probe tip is you want to make sure that you have proper work methods and safety procedures. And those proper work methods and your proper safety procedures, you're going to remember that in all the Bierer Meters products, there's a line limit right here. You want to verify that your meter probe accessory is in use because it helps mitigate bypassing that line limit. You have more length on the end of your meter probe. That extra length will help prevent and mitigate bypassing that line limit, because you're going to remember that there's resistors that protect the tool from primary power, from very high voltage. It's going to protect the tool. So if you don't want to bypass those resistors, always remembering your tool is not isolated, insulated, but you do have resistors. So therefore, when you're using your tool is energized. So always use your proper meter probe accessory for safety and proper work methods. So you can add to your meter, you can add the pigtail. The pigtail here is going to be used on your meter in cases where you have high wind scenario. So the tool can be left on the line. You just simply come into your line at an angle and then twist. Very simple. And it'll allow your tool to rock back and forth on that line without blowing off the line. Very nice accessory to have if you live and work in high wind locations. We also have another straight probe that's shorter. Maybe you're going to be going to capacitive test points quite often, or just in areas, scenarios to where you have less space to work with. And then if you working underground, you're going to want to add the bushing adapters to your meter. So we have the 1525 kV interface, and then we also have and provide a accessory with the 35 kV interface on your bushing adapter. So you want to add these to your kits if you work underground or a combination of overhead and underground. It's important, again, to always use the proper accessory, Bierer Meters accessory. I was doing some training earlier this year, and they were using a different manufacturer's tool. And their device, when they would go through a hot bushing or a feed through, their device, their probe had no isolating characteristics, which Bierer Meters we do. We have cover up built around the probe. So our safety is much enhanced that we provide for you all. Also, keep in mind if you're working transmission and you're using, say, the wireless PD800W, the wireless phasing voltmeter, and you're on transmission, then what you're going to do is you're going to use a shepherd's hook. You simply take the shepherd's hook, you screw both of these together, and then this goes from 2 foot times 2 to a 4 foot accessory shepherd's hook. And what will happen is this will allow your PD800W to come into the corona of that transmission line, and it'll still pick up that phase angle. Appreciate you listening to the Bierer Meters tool training meter probe accessories. For this and other tool training presentations for all of our products, you can subscribe to the Bierer Meters YouTube channel. Thank you.